The term used to indicate dry refuse which includes decayed fruits, paper pieces, grass, etc. Options: sewage, garbage, sellage, none of the above. Answer: option B, garbage. The ratio between the total covered area of all floors of a building to the plot area. Options: open space index, plinth area ratio, coverage percentage, floor area ratio. Answer: option D, floor area ratio. The adjustments required to be made at each of the surveying stations before making observations are called. Options: permanent adjustment, compensating adjustment, temporary adjustment, perfect adjustment. Answer: option C, temporary adjustment. The continuous thin line connecting a dimension value or some information relating to a feature in an engineering drawing is. Options: dimension line, break line, leader line. Answer: option D, leader line. The planning of two or more related rooms in proximity of each other to minimize the length of circulation and improve the comfort. Options: aspect, circulation, roominess, grouping. Answer: option D, grouping. The abbreviated form of complex compound of cement C3S, C2S, C3A and C4AF are also called. Options: Aspdin's compound, Box compound, Vickett's compound, James Frost compound. Answer: option B, Box compound. The coarser stone placed immediately below the cornice to improve the appearance of external face of the wall is. Options: frieze, string course, corbel, blocking course. Answer: option A, frieze. The ability of a material to resist fracture due to high impact like hammer blows is. Options: toughness, hardness, brittleness, ductility. Answer: option A, toughness. The channel or pipe which carries water away from the powerhouse after it has been passed through the turbine is. Options: main canal, penstock, regulator, tail race. Answer: option D, tail race. When cast iron pipes are used to convey water with high pressure, dash joints are used. Options: flanged joint, expansion joint, bell and spigot joint, none of the above. Answer: option A, flanged joint. The arrangements made at the situations where two or more rods meet or cross one another such a way that one rod over or under another by means of a bridge is. Options: roundabouts, grade separations, grade intersections, none of the above. Answer: option B, grade separations. A point P is 5 cm above the HP and 3 cm in front of VP. What will be the distance between the top and front view after completing the projection drawing? Options: 2 cm, 15 cm, 8 cm, none of the above. Answer: option C, 8 cm. The bridge constructed such a way that its center line is not at right angle to the stream flow is. Options: angle bridge, square bridge, skew bridge, tilting bridge. Answer: option C, skew bridge. The depth of an arch at the crown is more than that at the springing line and the shape of the intrados is a semicircle, then it is called. Options: Florentine arch, Venetian arch, horseshoe arch, stilted arch. Answer: option A, Florentine arch. When the cutting plane is inclined to the axis of the right circular cone and parallel to one of its generators, the section obtained is. Options: rectangular hyperbola, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Answer: option B, parabola. The yard which used to isolate goods wagon received from various centers in the order of station at which they are to be sent. Options: locomotive yard, marshalling yard, passenger yards, goods yard. Answer option B, marshalling yard. The difference in level of water surface between upstream and downstream of a bridge. Options: Venway, freeboard, causeway, afflux. Answer option D, afflux. Among the following, which is a constant or component of rolling stock of railways? Options: wagons, plate laying, fixtures and fasteners, stations and yards. Answer option A, wagons. Which one of the following is adopted as narrow gauge in Indian Railway? Options: 0.762 meter, 1.767 meter, 0.626 meter, 1.067 meter. Answer option A, 0.762 meter. The part of a circle bounded by an arc and its chord is? Option: sector, segment, semicircle, arch. Answer option B, segment. The ratio of lateral strain to linear strain within the elastic limit. Options: modulus of rigidity, modulus of elasticity, Poisson's ratio, none of the above. Answer option C, Poisson's ratio. The rails are connected at their ends by means of? Options: chairs and keys, fish plates, spikes, bearing plates. Answer option B, fish plates. The seclusion or isolation of an individual or a couple or a group from the rest of the inmates of the house is? Options: aspect, privacy, roominess, prospect. Answer option B, privacy. The plane of projection lie between the object and observer is in? Options: third angle projection, fourth angle projection, first angle projection, second angle projection. Answer option A, third angle projection. The ratio of ultimate bearing capacity to safe bearing capacity is? Options: frictional resistance, allowable bearing capacity, compaction factor, factor of safety. Answer option D, factor of safety. The most suitable cement used for underwater or running water concrete is? Options: rapid hardening cement, acid resistant cement, white cement, quick setting cement. Answer option D, quick setting cement. The windows usually provided near the top of the main roof and are made to open in the adjoining veranda or lean-to roof for proper ventilation is? Options: clerestory windows, dormer windows, lantern lights, casement windows. Answer option A, clerestory windows. The defects in timber which is caused by over maturity or by bad ventilation during storage. Options: ruxiness, radial shakes, rupture, foxiness. Answer option D, foxiness. As per NBC, the maximum height of boundary wall without any special permission and condition is? Options: 1.5 meter, 1.8 meter, 1.2 meter, 2.1 meter. Answer option A, 1.5 meter. The roof slope in the four directions, but each slope has a break is? Options: deck roof, mansard roof, gambrel roof, hip roof. Answer option B, mansard roof. If the diameter of a sphere is 3 cm, then the volume of the sphere is dash centimeter cube. Options: 20.25 pi, 9 pi, 18 pi, 4.5 pi. Answer option D, 4.5 pi. The innermost central portion or core of the tree. Options medulla, hardwood, inner bark, none of the above. Answer option A, medulla. The trimmed size of A1 drawing paper. Options 210 by 297 mm, 410 by 594 mm, 594 by 841 mm, 297 by 420 mm. Answer option C, 594 by 841 mm. The small room generally provided adjacent to dining room for keeping cooked food. Options loft, store, pantry, none of the above. Answer option C, pantry. The traffic way produced in such a way that during floods water is allowed to flow across the communication route. Option super passage, causeway, flyover, bypass. Answer option B, causeway. The bond in which the bricks are arranged at 45 degree in opposite direction from the central line of the wall thickness is. Options silver locks bond, zigzag bond, diagonal bond, herringbone bond. Answer option D, herringbone bond. The lower half portion of an arch between crown and skew back. Option springer, spandrel, haunch, impost. Answer option C, haunch. The weight per meter length of 20 mm diameter steel bar is around. Options 1.58 kg, 3.55 kg, 0.89 kg, 2.46 kg. Answer option D, 2.46 kg. The edge of roof covering material which projects beyond the gable end of the sloped roof running between the eaves and ridges. Options valley, hip dent, verge, diagonal tie. Answer option C, verge. Eccentricity of ellipse is always. Options less than 1, greater than 1, equal to 1, equal to 0. Answer option A, less than 1.